This is Anna. Today we will talk about Germany. We went to Berlin and Bad Homburg. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and join my daughter and me on our upcoming mini adventures. We are preparing to adventure out to Amsterdam and some other European countries, and we want you to join us on these journeys. So let's get started. Well, we always start off with the airport pictures. Here we are in Berlin. Then we took the Flixbus to Bad Homburg. Now, the Flixbus is the same as a megabus here in the United States. Since we were planning on staying in Germany for the summer, we decided to use an Airbnb instead of a hotel. Our Airbnb apartment had just enough room for my daughter and me. It included a small kitchen, small bathroom, and a bedroom. On our inside time, we cooked, played games, and my daughter completed a 3D puzzle of a German castle, and she did some painting as well. When we had time, we did tour the city because that's what we're here for, right? So we love walking around Germany and meeting new people. At this time, I was tutoring a teen girl named Valentina to teach her intermediate English. So we did have a little more downtime than usual. Now we're going to go on to the city bus and the market. In Germany, we learned how to catch the city bus, and we toured the city by ourselves and came across a summer market. The people were selling all sorts of goodies and items. It was really nice. That day was a perfect day to go to that market. While I was there, I decided to pick up on some extra monies by working in a summer camp for children. The kids were around my daughter's age, and this was a perfect way for her to meet new friends. The camp was from Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., and it only lasted like 4 weeks. The money came in handy though. These are pictures when we took the children to a bowling alley. Everyone had a great time, including my daughter and me. I had a great time. Now, what kind of job or work can you work at, have fun, and bring your daughter? This was a win-win situation for us. Well, as far as food goes, Germany had good food and great ambience. The people were kind of rude because they thought I was Spanish because of the curly hair. I heard that they didn't like Spanish people that much, and that's why I was getting the crazy looks at times. Now, I didn't have a problem doing camp, and I didn't have a problem at our Airbnb apartment building, but sometimes when I was out and about, I did get a little starry-eyed at. But I would tell you a story that happened to me, and I will tell you that story at the end of this video. It was crazy. You do want to stay around to hear that story. We went to the zoo and we had a great time. Usually when we go to a zoo that's abroad, the animals at the zoo do not look very healthy. But this time the animals look okay to me. So I hope you enjoy these pictures of the zoo in Germany and pictures of us enjoying our stay in Germany. Now for the story that I promised you. Okay. So this what happened, and I was very disappointed in people in Germany. I was. Okay, my daughter and I, we was going to an inside plaza to go to a supermarket for groceries. Now we were going on the escalator going up, and some teen boys were going down on the other escalator. One teen boy threw some uncooked beans or something like that in my face and said something nasty about Spanish people. They didn't bother my daughter at all, so I was happy about that. But I yelled at him saying, I'm America, you mother boo boo. And I threw my umbrella at him. Now that'll teach him. Don't assume and don't judge the people by the book. Don't judge the people. How you say? Don't judge the book by its cover or something like that. Yeah. And he was a teen boy. He's supposed to have some manners when it comes to grown-ups, regardless of nationality. Okay? All right. Well, if you are enjoying and would like to support my channel, please subscribe. It's free, no cost to you. Comment, like, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, this is Anna.